Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a general tarot read for Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising for the week 13th to 19th of May 2024. Please just take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And if you're looking for more answers, you can either check out my other readings for whatever placements you may have in your chart, or you can book me for a personalized reading at the link in the description box. Thank you all very much for all your likes, subscribes, comments. This is very much appreciated. Especially Gemini has been very active lately on my channel. So thank you. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I really hope you enjoy my content. And if you do so, please hit the like button, leave a comment. I always read the comments and enjoy them very much. And consider subscribing. It is completely free for you. But it greatly supports the channel grow, and it lets other people see my content as well. Alright, let's get into the animal spirit for the week. By the way, I am a Gemini rising. So you've got Orca Whale, Adventure. Dare to do things differently, sing your wild song, manifest your travel dreams, attempt a great journey with confidence. Be loyal, friends and family are your treasures. Be brave, you are more powerful than you know. Alright. Now let's see a Numerology card. Full moon in Leo, go wild. How very nice. Alright. If you have a question for the divine, please ask your question now and I will check with the Angels Oracle deck for your answer. Okay, and you've got meditation brings answers. So it might be that if you start meditating or praying, some people pray, you will get some answers to your dreams, through your ideas. It depends for each one of us. All right. Let's see. Money and career. You've got two. The spirits are generous. So, you've got spiritual work. Doing some inner work can help you get clear before you move on. You will get insights into what work will best serve your needs. And you've got frozen. There may be a hiring freeze or no new work now. Being aloof can leave you out in the cold. A warm follow-up gets you in the door. Alright, I'll leave this one on top because I like it more. Now let's see. Love and romance. If you hear some weird noises, there's one of my dogs. They're both fast asleep, but one of them is making quite a weird noise. Okay, so you've got wedding. This situation involves marriage. And if you have another question for the divine, something that can be answered in a time frame, timeline, or timestamp, please ask your question now and I will check with the Divine Time Oracle deck for your answer. Okay. More patience is required. Alright, let's get into the tarot read. What is the current energy for Gemini, Sun, Moon and Rising? Ace of Wands. What is the challenge? King of Pentacles. What do they need to know? Three of Wands. Advice, the Star. Possible outcome. The Nine of Pentacles. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, the Justice. All right. So, we're starting out with the Ace of Wands. This is a new beginning, a passionate new beginning. We'll see if this is in love, career, or anything else in your life when we clarify. In your challenge, we've got the King of Pentacles. Now, the King of Pentacles can be a boss energy. So it might be that you are in some troubled times with your manager at work. It might be that if you are a manager, you could be a new manager and you're still figuring out how to manage people. You're not quite comfortable with the role. So we'll see. It can also be about money, new offer, but with that frozen thing, maybe this is why in your challenge position, because there's no offer at the moment, there's no new job at the moment. King of Pentacles is also earth sign, so it can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take it as it resonates. In the what do you need to know position, you've got the Three of Wands. So you are waiting for something to come in at the moment, and your ships will come in. This can be either support from someone, some type of help, or that new job, but it will come in. In the advice position, you've got the Star. Now, the Star can be about wish. So all you need to do is make a wish, but be clear about what you wish for, put it out in the universe. Or it can be about healing, healed from something that maybe went in the past. In the possible outcome, you've got the Nine of Pentacles, which is abundance, especially financial abundance. This will be hard work and abundance. It's not something like you win the lottery. And in the overall energy, you've got the Justice. It might be that you're going through some legal stuff, or if not, maybe, I don't know, if it's at work, could be a grievance, could be a mediation, could be a settlement, something that has to do with bringing you justice. Let me clarify. Seven of Swords. And a challenge, Five of Pentacles. What do you need to know? Knight of Cups. Advice, Knight of Wands. What is the possible outcome? Possible outcome again, the Star and the King of Pentacles. At the bottom of the deck, Ace of Wands. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. And I'm only a Gemini rising, but somehow I resonate in part with this reading. So, in this new beginning, you might have been sabotaged by someone. Someone worked behind your back. Maybe they steal your work and take credit for it, or they lied you about something. So Or maybe because you had this thing going on, you've decided to have a new beginning, to start something new. Because this was no way to go forward, you know, with the trickster energy here. Lying, cheating, you know. In the challenge position, you've got the Five of Pentacles. So you are very much afraid now that you will be poor. Because maybe with this new beginning, you haven't started yet to see the fruits of your labor. Of course, it's something new. It's something that you just started working on. It's something that, you know, you can't see yet if it's going to work out or not. So you're very much afraid of this. In the what do you need to know position, you've got the Knight of Cups. So something will come in towards you, like, because you have the Three of Wands, which means support will come in, your ships will come in. And you have the Knight of Cups as well. Is like some type of offer coming in, maybe of friendship, of reconciliation. So as I said, it might be some mediation, some compromise. An offer of forgiveness, of friendship, something is there coming towards you. The Knight of Wands, in the advice position, you need to take action, some type of action you need to take on something, maybe for this healing to happen. In the possible outcome, you've got the Star, which is the healing again. So you will be healed from whatever this happened. Also, you can make a wish. Maybe for this time, the Nine of Pentacles to come towards you. Move from the 5 to the 9. And you've got the King of Pentacles again. So everything happened for a reason, I would say. Because the King of Pentacles was initially in your challenge position, but now is in your outcome position. So whatever this was going on, either you were a manager and you didn't know exactly how to manage people, it was something new to you, but then you end up by being a very good manager. Either you had some problems with your manager and you might end up a manager yourself in another position, in a new position, or maybe you get your own business, because it's a new start, it's a new beginning. Then you've got the Ace of Wands again. So there will be a new beginning once you get that justice. Let me just clarify, in the advice position, that Knight of Wands, what action do you need to take to heal, to end this? Please clarify, what action does the Gemini need to take? You've got the Seven of Cups. So basically they're telling me there's so many other opportunities out there. So you just need to pick one and grab it. Don't stay in this fear. And the Lovers, choose. Again, choose. Make a choice. Okay, my dear Geminis, this was my reading for you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, love, peace, and prosperity.